Hey guys, Disneycollector here with 2 boxes of egg surprises. Each of these boxes comes with 3 egg surprises. Now time to start opening them. First box. One, 2, and 3 eggs from Donald Duck. One, 2, and 3 eggs. Our first little egg is of Mickey. We just got Minnie and one little flyer. Now Donald Duck. We just got Huey and one flyer. Another Mickey egg surprise. We just got Donald Duck and one flyer. Another Huey. Cool, we got Mickey Mouse. And here's the flyer. And this is our last egg surprise. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more egg surprises right here on Disney Collector.